औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट, इससे पहले हमने हेटेरोसाइक्लिक केमिस्ट्री डिफिनीशन और इंट्रोडक्टरी एक लेक्चर उस बारे में हमने नोमेनक्लेचर के बारे में हमने बता दिया था। टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस द 5 member हेटेरोसाइक्लिक compounds. There are different 5 member heterocyclic compounds that are given below. The first one is furane. Furane is a 5 member heterocyclic compound where oxygen acting as a heteroatom. You can see this. And pyrrole is also a 5 member heterocyclic where nitrogen acting as a heteroatom, and this is the example of pyrrole. Thiophene is a 5 member heterocyclic compound where sulfur acting as a heteroatom, and this is the structure of thiophene. Now the physical properties include the color, melting point, boiling point, density, etc., and you can study this by your own through notes. Synthesis of furane. So first of all, of these three 5 member furane, pyrrole and thiophene, I would like to discuss the synthesis and physical and chemical properties of all these three 5 member heterocyclic compound one by one. So the first one is synthesis of furane. So there are various ways of synthesizing furane. The one is commercial synthesis of furane, otherwise paal knorr synthesis, and the third one is Fils-Binri synthesis. So first of all, the paal knorr synthesis of furane. By paal knorr synthesis, furane can be synthesized by the cyclization and dehydration of 1,4-डाइकार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स। तो इसमें आप क्या करते हैं, डाइकार्बोनाइल लेते हैं, लेकिन आपका जो कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप है पोजीशन नंबर 1 और पोजीशन नंबर 2 में होगा। तो 1,4-डाइकार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड की पहले आप साइक्लाइजेशन करते हैं और साइक्लाइजेशन के बाद फिर डिहाइड्रेशन करके आपको फाइनल प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है। तो यू कैन सी हेयर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. You can see one carbonyl compound should be at position 1. So this is carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 and 4 carbonyl is at position 1 and 4. So this is a 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. So first of all, we will undergo the cyclization of 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. So we will, sulfuric acid will be acting as a catalyst. So this will provide, sulfuric acid will provide a proton to the carbonyl oxygen. So this bond will be broken down in this direction. So this oxygen will become positively charged and H positive will be coming here to produce OH. So we will be able to obtain, as this bond is broken down in this direction, so this carbon become positively, this carbon become negatively charged, and OH positive will attach here, you can see here, okay, and this carbons will have a positive charge. Now during cyclization, the second carbonyl carbon pi bonds that will be broken down in this direction, oxygen become negatively and this positively charged. So the dot shows a new bond will appear here, and this bond becomes single and this carbon will become positively charged. That can be seen here in this. देखिए, आप देख सकते हैं आपका जो ऑक्सीजन यहाँ जो पॉजिटिव था, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर जो नेगेटिव है, ये आपस में बॉन्ड्स बने, दैट वाज डॉटेड। यहाँ पे ये जो है डॉट्स के शो कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हम एक्चुअल बॉन्ड ये बना रहे हैं और इस कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा। सो नाउ द साइक्लाइजेशन इज थ्रू पाल कnorr synthesis, cyclization and dehydration taking place. So the cyclization is complete now. You can see a cyclic 1,4-dicarbonyl compound is changed into a cyclic compound. Now dehydration occur, one of the proton will be released from here and OH negative will given out here. So H positive OH negative will be replaced as minus H2O, and the dotted line is C negative and C positive will produce a new bond. So a new bond will be appear here, you can see, and water will be released. Here C already have a positive charge and one of the proton will be replaced, C will become negative, so negative positive will yield a bond, and you can see here. So this is the now you can see that we have obtained the derivatives are substituted furan through paal knorr. So this is called as paal knorr synthesis. Once again I would like to, okay, by the cyclization and dehydration of 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. So this is 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. In the first step we have carried out the cyclization, and after dehydration we have obtained paal knorr. Thank you so much.